MLS Client was created to allow the public access to reliable real estate information without using third-party providers who unfortunately sell your information for money. This video is a tutorial video that explains how to use the app in the most beneficial way. Once you downloaded the app, this will be the home screen you view as soon as you open it. Let's start with map search. Once the map opens, using your current location, the map will pull up all the listings in your area. Using your fingers, you can zoom in or out. You can also move the map to any direction to view different areas. Pay attention. Blue bubbles are active listings and orange bubbles are under contract. To view a list of all the properties you are viewing on the map, just click the list button on the top left hand side. You have few options to sort the properties by, so choose the one that answers your needs best and then just hit apply. Using the pen icon on the right hand side, you can mark the area you are interested in. Once the area turns green, the list on top is also updated. You can also save your search to a later time by clicking Save Search. Over here, just name the file whatever name you want. I'll just put New Search. Done. To erase the area, you just hit the pen icon again. Now you can draw another area if you wish to do so. Hit the I button and then you will get to the map setting. Over here you can view in map option or satellite option. To view the schools in the area, just swipe the button to the right. Another way to enter your desired criteria is by clicking the filter on the top right hand side. Pay attention, the default is always all, so make sure to narrow down the options to actually view the properties you are interested in. Once you choose all the criteria, make sure you hit apply. Another option to enter your desired criteria is by clicking Advanced Search from the home page. So let's just go to the home page and hit Advanced Search. Over here, you can search a specific city or address on top of all the other criteria we already covered. If you saved any searches, you will be able to view it under Saved Search right here. Now I'll show you how to add a property to your favorites. Go to any screen. I'll, for instance, stay in our new search. Once you found the property you love, just go ahead and hit the star icon, just like this. Once you hit the star icon, you can choose if you would like to add this property to your favorites, to possibilities, or to discard it. Let's add it to our favorites and go back to home screen. Now, if you will go to favorites, you will see this property over there. If you would like to mark your favorite property as a possibility or to disregard it, just do it the same way as I showed you before. Another way to pull up property is by entering their MLS numbers. You can enter up to 10 MLS numbers. Just hit search and the result will appear on the screen. If you want to contact your real estate agent and to ask them any questions, you can do it easily from the app by clicking My Agent icon. Over here, you can call, text, or send an email from the comfort of this app. Let's go back to the home screen. Under the option of tips and facts, you will find helpful information about the process of buying a house and helpful information about the process of selling a house. The mortgage calculator will give you a good estimate as of what your monthly payment will be. Just enter the purchase price, the sale price, how much down payment you would like to put. Pay attention, the system has a default of 10%. If you would like to change it, just go ahead and change it. We'll update the interest rate to the interest rate of the day. We'll update the life of the loan that you are going to get. And over here at the top, you will see the estimate of your monthly payments. If you would like to enter different information, just hit the reset and enter any other information as you please. Now let's go back to the home screen. In the More icon, you will find some more options, but most of the things repeat themselves. At the bottom of the screen, you will find shortcuts to few main functions. Here is an example of how easy it is to communicate with your realtor using this app. I'll just hit My Agent. Would you like to call? Yes. So we just covered the main functions of this app. Using this app will provide you with the most accurate real estate data in the Las Vegas and Henderson area because it's connected directly to the same MLS realtors use. Thank you for viewing this video. If you find this information helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button. Also consider to subscribe to our channel to get more good information in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and we will review them and answer any questions you have. Thank you so much for viewing again. Have a wonderful day.